The ideal way of doing an event is having all the cameras synced. So you can select, if you do the backslash key, get your filter bar, go by metadata, go by camera. Actually, we've already got cameras here. I only have one camera synced here, but say I take, I have all of these images selected, and I go to my timestamp in my metadata, and where am I looking? Oh, I got to go to my EXIF data, and then you can look here at your where do I have my time? Oh, this is interesting. When I imported it here, it didn't have the time of the original. Okay. Normally the time would be here, and you could see what time that is. And even if you, hopefully you took a picture of each other. You know, on 3 we take a picture, and then and then you pick. Okay, my camera is the master camera. I'm going to take my time is this, and so I'm going to take these images, and I want to sync it to my time. Either I've written it down or memorized it. And you go to, you've got them selected, you can go to metadata, and you go down to edit capture time, and the original time on these images is this, but you want to change it, you want to change it, you could go change it to your minutes or your seconds. And when you do that, it's going to be changed to all of the images that you have selected. So that should bring your partner's images in sync with yours. And if you didn't do a picture of each other at the beginning, or a picture of a watch or something, if there's a definitive moment that you both captured, like at a wedding, you're shooting from a different angle, and the first kiss, you know when that happened. So find the master camera, get that time, and then go and you sync it with the rest of them. So
highlight all the images from that second.
Highlighting all of them, yeah, from the second shooter or the second camera, whatever it is.